Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to be learning about order of magnitude for fractions. Yes, we can arrange fractions in ascending order of magnitude and descending order of magnitude. Now, what's ascending order? Ascending order is the arrangement from the lowest to the highest, while descending order is from the highest to the lowest. And there are two methods in which we can arrange these fractions. The first one is using LCM, and the second one is converting these fractions to decimals and then arranging them according to any order. So let's go to the examples. The first one we have is to do 5 over 6, 3 over 4, 7 over 12, 2 over 3 in ascending order. Solution. We have 5 over 6, 3 over 4, 7 over 12, 2 over 3. Now, in this method, we're going to be using the LCM method. So, what's the LCM? Let's check it. 6, 4, 12, 3. The first thing, 2, else 2. That's 2 divided 6 is 3, 2 divided 2 is 2, 2 divided 12 is 6. 2 cannot divide 3, it comes down. Another one, 2. 2 divided 3, it can go. 2 divided 2, 1. 2 divided 6, 3. Then 2 cannot divide 3, it comes down. The next one is what? 3. 3 divided 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we then multiply this. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. We're having 12 here as the lowest common multiple, the LCM. So, now 6 divided 12 is what? 2. 2 times 5, 10. 4 divided 12, 3. 3 times 3, 9. 12 divided 12, 1. 1 times 7, 7. 3 divided 12, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So you can see we're going to now arrange them according to, since it's ascending order, means from the lowest to the highest. So the lowest number here is what? 7. So what comes first is what? 7 over 12. After 7 over 12, the lowest is what? 8. That's what? 2 over 3. After that, the lowest is what? 9. That's what? 3 over 4. And the last one is what? 10. That is what? 5 over 6. I hope we all understood. This is using the LCM to arrange them. This is ascending order. If you want to do descending order, you're going to start from here. That's 5 over 6, 3 over 4, 2 over 3, 7 over 12. That will be the descending order. And the next question, we have to solve 3 over 4, 11 over 20, 4 over 5, 7 over 10 in descending order. Now we're going to use the second method, which is converting them to decimal and then putting them in the order, which is descending order. So we have 3 over 4, 11 over 20, 4 over 5, 7 over 10. Solution. Okay. Now the first thing, let's convert 3 over 4 to decimal. In my last video, I already explained how to convert fraction to decimal. So the denominator will be here and the numerator will be here. 4 divided 3, it can't go. So we're going to have 0 point and add 0 here. 4 divided 30, that's what? 7. That's 7 times 4, 28. You subtract. This will give us 2. We're going to add another 0. Note, you're not going to put a decimal here for this 0. 4 divided 20, that's 5. 5 times 4, 20. This will give us a 0, 0. We are done because the remainder is what? 0, 0. So we can conclude that 3 over 4 is what? 0 0.75. The next one, 11 over 20. We're going to convert it to decimal. Denominator stays here, numerator stays here. 20 divided by 11, it can't go. So we're going to have what? 0 point and add 0. 20 divided 110, that will give us what? 5. 5 times 20, that's 100. Subtract, that will give us 10 as remainder. We had another 0. 20 divided 100, that's 5. 5 times 20, 100. So we are done dividing because our remainder is what? 0, 0. So now we have that 11 over 20 to decimal is what? 0.55, right? Then we go to the next one. 4 over 5 to fraction, to decimal. Denominator stays here. The numerator stays here. So 5 divided by 4, it can't go. I'm going to put what? 0 point and add 0. 5 divided by 40 is what? 8. 8 times 5, 40. That's what? 0, 0. So 4 over 5 is what? 0 0.8. And the last one is what? 7 over 10. To decimal. Denominator stays here, numerator stays here. 10 divided by 7, it can't go. So I'm going to have 0 point and add our 0 here. So 10 divided by 70 is what? 7. 7 times 10, 70. Subtract, I have 0, 0. Therefore, 7 over 10 is what? 0 0.7. Now, let's do this together. Let's now put them orderly in what? Descending order. That's what? From the highest to the what? Lowest. So, orderly, we have descending order. We have, what's the highest here? 0 0.8 is the highest, right? So we have 4 over 5. The next one is what? 0 0.75, and that's what? 3 over 4. The next one is what? 0 0.7, that's what? 7 over 10. The next one is what? 11 over 20. That's what? 0 0.55. So now, this is what? In descending order from the highest to the lowest. Thank you.